Thank you for the sound effects. That was not needed.
Action.
Wait, did you hear me with action?
Yeah.
Bless her heart. We're live streaming also right now, but we got success. Everything is working how it's supposed to work. All I literally got to do was tidy up the cables, put it all back together, and then run up my setup processes, which includes updating the BIOS, setting on the temperatures, on my other greatness. Don't do that.
Hey!
Stop that.
Hey, you said press a key.
No, you didn't finish reading all of it. Jeez. Back to stop touching stuff is at a very sensitive stage right now. At this point, it's a blank slate. We still got to put an operating system on it. We got to program the BIOS, the whole nine. But first, we're going to clean up cable management, put everything back together, and the world's a better place. We'll move on from there. What'd you say, bro?
This is the useless assistant.
The useless assistant?
Yeah.
First off, I made valuable contributions. Myriad contributions.
Can you name one?
5 minutes.
Can you name one?
What do you mean?
Took too long. Exactly. Useless. This is the useless assistant. This is supposed to be the co-pilot of this program. He never showed, so he's trying to assist from the phone.
First off, this is the way in the future. Like, you don't gotta leave it at home, you know what I'm saying? It's a pandemic. I'm working from home. Hey, people are gonna do the same things.
This dude.
Daddy,
Huh?
you have to light so you can see it glow in the dark?
We can't do anything with it just yet. It's a clean slate. We got to put all the programs on it and update everything.
Oh, okay, just like see it light up in the dark?
Oh, you trying to turn off the lights?
Take off the lights so we can see the colorfulness.
Ooh.
Pretty colors.
Dooch, 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 dooch,
This
dooch,
shirt is what it looks like
dooch, dooch,
in the nighttime.
dooch, dooch,
When we do real gaming.
dooch, 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 dooch.
Right, that's why Mike got the sound effects going.
Dooch, 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 dooch.
RPG launch pad.
Well, I do plan to get that though, but you know, budget was a bit restricted because I wanted to make sure I got everything else.
I think it's launch pad. I'm about to get like $25.
Yeah, see.
It's super wide, it's like really wide. Got some RGB lights going on the outer edges.
And the temps is good. Right now it's at 29 degrees. Granted, we are in the basement. We'll see what the temps do when I put all the glass and everything on it.
Oh, DJ stop.
That's okay, he ain't broken. Yeah.
Action.
Okay, the final wrap up. What we have here is a LIANLI 011 XL case. I got that because I got big hands, easy to work in, and it got a lot of space for cable management. What we have here is about 4 sticks of 8 gigabyte memory. I got the Krakens, the Z3272, the new one with the digital display right there. It's actually pretty cool. Helps with keep the fans going so I can check the temperatures on it, all the other greatness. I can adjust all the speeds of the fans. I can adjust all the colors of the fans with the Commander Pros, the reason I got that one. There's about 10 fans in there. I got about 10 fans in there. Mainly because I'm a little concerned with the airflow. And I wanted this GPU vertical, but it's a 3-slotter. So I had to put it in the regular way until I can come up with a way to mount it vertically. With the bracket I got, with a few modifications, or see if I can find one at your local retailer. Let's see what else I got in this thing. I got about 2 sticks of M.2 storage, about 500 gigs a piece, and my hot swappable tray is right there. I got about 4 terabytes in there. With that being said, this thing can do any and everything I needed to do. Video games, video editing, live streaming, the whole nine. Especially this 28 Super graphics card, which is why I got the ultra wide right there. So I got about 3-4 screens up going at 1080 HD, 4K, whatever I need it to be, because this thing is made for overclocking. Let's just say it's the end all be all. And I put about over $4,000 worth of stuff in this thing. Motherboard is a Meg 8, Meg 8. Is that 5700 chipset? 570? It ain't top of the line, but it's pretty up there. It's enough to get the job done. What about the power supply? It's EVGA. Let me see. What's that? 850? Got an 80 plus. Let's just say it can power everything. Got a economy class switch on there, so it ain't burning up through too much juice. With this being the XL place, it got the little bar lights right there also. Switch. Huh? That's not good. Right. Oh.